Okay, now, can you put it in the forever block? Probably have to grab it by the top of the block. There you go. Okay. Now that we did that step, oh, do you want to draw a heart?
No.
No? Okay, you can draw whatever you want.
Okay. Where do I have the function?
Huh? Well, it's just doing a tutorial to teach you this basic stuff first. So if you go up to the top right and click next. Okay, then it says place another show LEDs block. You can put it in there as well. There you go. And then draw whatever you want in it. Okay, then click next on the top right. Look at the virtual microbit. That's the thing on the left. See, it shows you whatever you drew. And see, why is it blinking like that?
Because I draw it both.
Exactly, it's going back and forth forever between those two. Now, do you want to, now click next over there on the right. Let's see how we can download it to ours. Now you have it, if you have it connected, so click download over there. Do you see it on the bottom? Or does it say download? Okay, now wait a moment. See, it's still running the other program I put on it. Now just wait a moment. Now look at your microbit. It's doing the same thing the computer's doing on the screen. You just programmed it to do that. And then when you're done, you can click finish on the tutorial. Do you see where it says finish? So what it does is these tutorials teach you how to do different things on the microbit. It's just all the stuff I know how to do.
What's radio?
I don't know what that does. We haven't learned about that yet. But if you go to advanced, where's advanced? Do you see the word advanced on there? In your blocks list? And then where does it say functions?
Function?
Yeah.
Why do you have to click this first and then...
I guess just because it's a more advanced set of blocks. The other ones are less advanced.